The final lessons. This holy instant would I give to you. Be you in charge, for I would follow you, certain that your direction gives me peace. As much as it is the final lesson, of course, it is not your final lesson. The lessons are coming, and even as this speaks, this was just a training. This is only the beginning. This is not the end. The steps will be given you, and the thoughts will be given you, and simply remember to trust, and even calling for that guidance, calling for that assistance and understanding, and asking for, say, God's voice, the Holy Spiritual Universe, to make sense to you, to help you, to assist you. You can reference to it any way you want. There's no specific way, even as I might describe it in my way. It is what it is to you, and what will make sense out of it for you. Find the words that make you feel as if you're actually calling upon God. You might use Heavenly Father, Elohim, Jehovah. There are a multitude of things you might reference to and work for you, even Allah or Buddha or Supreme Consciousness or Krishna. It is all depends on how you think of it. Is it the totality of all that is? Or is it a partial idea? An idea of a image of a person, maybe, that is separate from you. This is okay for a while, but understand that as you keep walking up those stairs, persons, even as your own, disappear. That all physicality will disappear. And you'll reveal to yourself not only the spiritual universe, but the reality of your consciousness. Remembering God is as natural as, well, there's nothing as natural as remembering God. It is the only thing that's been in existence for all eternity. And you might have remembered in the last lesson there about those great rays. The great rays were in the beginning. The original steps, the original ideas. Just after letting there be light, started recognizing the fluttering and flickering of rays of light. These rays became personality traits as you started identifying with them. The original communication between God the Father, the perceived, and God the Son, the perceiver. You're here today still looking and recognizing what that is. You're looking at the great rays, the dance of light. It's everywhere to be found, and everyone is prepared to show you who they are. It's you and your misunderstanding that has made it into something it's not. Made us into something we are not. You're ready to forgive. You're ready to follow guidance. You're ready to surrender. Keep surrendering. Let it all go. Let it all drift away. Follow that guidance. If I'm going to still be in your life or not, I would love to. Perhaps a conference call is in order. You can schedule a chat with me or enroll in additional courses. I'm around. I even have books coming out, podcasts, thousands of hours of entertainment with, intellectual thought processes of spiritual nature. But in all realism, it's a fantastic thing to be here with you, and I've enjoyed this entire time. Thank you for being a part of my life. And if I see you again, maybe on retreat, or not, just know that I love you. And I think I'm going to end this with something a little different. With a little song. Thank you for saving the world.